So hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Yes. So I am going to show everything I have from a brand called SJ, Sonia Gulrajani. So yes, so it is also known as SJ collection. So you must have seen on Instagram it being very viral and very nice. So yes, so I have my quilted leather passport holder, from this brand in the past with my initials, with my D. So I hold my, whenever I go on my abroad trips, I like to hold this. I wanted a pink color, this pink color, but it was out of stock, so I just went for my blue. So yes, so it's very nice, and whenever I travel abroad, I like to, shop from this. So yes, so sorry, I like to carry it along, shop from this. I like to carry all my visa and my passport and everything in this. It's very good quality, it holds good, and you also have different compartments. Yes, so you can also keep your flight tickets and all of that. It's very nice, very handy. So yes, so very nice. So you have different slots, so I also carry my cards here. Yes, so yeah, love it. So from this brand I bought this in the past, but now I'm going to show you. Yes, I'm going to show you, everything I have from, her, the Sonia Gulrajani, yes, the SJ collection, and what all I have. Yes, so it's little bit on the expensive side, but it is totally worth it, and it's a one-time buy. And you also have this brand on Nika fashion. Yes, so I'm going to show you, yes, what all I have. Yes, so let's unbox. Yeah, it's very, very nicely packaged. So I'm just opening this up. Yeah, so it came with good bubble packaging. So I bought 3 products from them, and oh my god, it's totally worth it. So it does take some time, so you plan out accordingly. So it will take you good 30 days, 40 days. So plan yourself, yes, accordingly. Yes, so I'm gonna show you what all I have in this. So yes, so this is how it looks, very nicely packaged. Yes, so I'm gonna just give it remove the tape. Yes, I love how it came in very neatly packaged. So the passport holder which I showed is my first time that I bought from this brand. So this is my second time, and before I invest so much, I just wanted to get one brand and see that. Yes, so this also can be personally labeled, like with your name and logo. So just check out that. Yes, so yeah, so let's see what's the item that I went for. I wanted to get the pink color, but I couldn't get. Yes, so let's see what is it that I have. Yes, oh my god, just look at this. Yeah, so this is the compartment holder, like for jewelry and all of that. So it is with my logo. Yes, the DV. Yes, so that's my channel name, Divine Tarot. Yes, so if you do not know, I also have a tarot channel. You can check that out. Just look at how beautiful is the slots. So if you're traveling anywhere, like you have a lot of Indian jewelry and all, so you can just hold this. You can keep your entire. You can also keep your minis in this. Yeah, the quality is amazing, and it's pretty long. Yes, and it also comes with a holder, so you can just hang it up. Yeah, love the packaging. It is very soft. It is quilted, and the gold detailing, love the gold detailing. So yes, so yeah, so I put my channel initials, and if you do not know, I make twin flame content. So it's our twin flame logo, so the DV. Yes, so love the zip detailing and all of that. So yes, so I love the quilted fabric. So this is one. It's very lightweight, like it's very lightweight. So, and it's very handy as well, so you can just carry it along. Yeah, so you also, I went for a bigger one because I have too many jewelry. So you can check out the the smaller one. Yes, yeah. So this is, I think, a 20 compartment one. Yes. Let's see what else I have. So I went for bigger thing when I'm traveling abroad and all. I can just put it in one of them. Yes. So let's see what I have in this one. It looks very bulky. The task to open that, but anyway, I opened it, and let's see what I have. Yes. So I love the detailing, how you can customize. So if you want to or you do not want to, you can leave it. Yes, but I went for the customization, and I think you have to just pay like 100 or something extra for the customization. So let's see what I have in this. So I love to store these covers. Yeah, that is why I hold them. That is why I'm just chopping it. I'm just cutting it very carefully. Yes, chopping it. I'm just slicing it very carefully. Anyway, just this is how it is. Yeah, let's see. I finally got the pink one. Yes, which I wanted. So this gives me that Jeffree Star vibe. So you must have seen Jeffree Star making such detailing. So it comes with amazing the zip detailing, and I finally got my hands on the the pink one. And the compartments are also so nice. Like there are so many compartments. I'm going to show you guys one by one compartment. So you can keep all your brushes here. I finally got the pink one. Yes, you can keep your brushes here, all of your brushes here, and you can store your lipsticks here. For me, I would keep my brushes right here. All of my brushes would fit in this. So yes, so I travel with a lot of makeup and all of that. So everything comes in this. You also have a tag, like the tag of my channel name. Yes, so yeah, so tag, love the pink color. Yes. And let's see, this is a slot. Obviously you have newspaper and all of that, but it has good, I don't want to remove the newspaper right now. And I see she also kept a thank you card. Yeah, a thank you card. Yes, so very nice. The compartment is very deep, lot of space. Yes, so I can easily carry this around. I think all of my toiletries and everything will come up in this, and it's good quality as well. Yeah, and it's waterproof, like leather obviously. So yeah, waterproof, loved it. Yes, and the other zip is you also have another zip. So you have two zips. Yes, double zip, and you also have a slot for the what do you say, the brushes and all of that. You can also store your lipsticks in that slot. Yes, slot, amazing. So I loved the detailing, the zip detailing. Oh my god, just love it. And your name comes here, so you can just carry this around. Yes, loved it. Yes, so it matches with my top today, so you can just carry it around. Yes, loved it. Yeah, so yes, so you can just carry it around. Yeah, love it. And the zip detailing, and you also have the logo on the zips, and the zips are also very good quality. So if you're investing in this, so this was for I think 5,000 rupees. So you also have this on Nykaa. So if you're investing in this, and if you travel a lot and you want all of your stories, like you can just hold this, all of your makeup, toiletries, etc., everything will come in this. So just you can carry this bag. Yeah, so loved it, A plus. Yes, the last item is this one. So this one, it's like a flat notebook, you can see. So let me just quickly open this. Yeah, so it's neatly bubble wrapped, so there is no damage, and it also came in good size box. Yes, so let's see, let me just quickly open this. Yes, finally, so it came in so much bubble wrap. Yeah, but it protects your product, right, because you're spending so much. So let me just quickly open this and tell you what is inside. Yes, so it does take 1 month to 1 month time, 20-25 days, 1 month. So ensure that when you order, you plan up accordingly. So this came up very nice with I'm excited to, oh my god, I finally have the red version. Like I wanted this red so badly, so desperately. Yes, so yeah, look at this. It has so many, so I can store all of my jewelry in this. Yes, so when I travel, like everything will come up in this. And I love how good and organized it is. So I can, if I'm traveling somewhere for long, I can just carry this. I can keep, so I can keep my toiletries and makeup and that one. And I can also I think even my iPad can fit in this. So anyway, love the the tassels detailing, and so nice, man. The quality is very nice. So this is the brand. So I would highly suggest you, like if you're looking out for good ones, just go for this. So I can just put it for display in my vanity. Love the colors. So you can see I have a pink, gold, and I also have the blue one and the red one. Yes, loved it. Yes. So yes, so like the collection is complete of all the colors. So you have good slots, like it's a notebook, like it's a slot system, and it's very heavy duty, like it's nice. Yeah, let me just open one and see. So you can keep all of your necklaces right here. And yeah, so I wear a lot of jewelry, so the compartments are also very nice. So yes, so loved it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Like whenever I going to take this. I think people are definitely going to ask me or from where did I buy. And I also went for my tag of, my channel name. Yes, DV, my other channel, Divine Tarot by Deepa Sree. Yes. So I wanted to do a DS, but I just went for DV. Yeah. Yeah. So so you can customize it with your logo. Yes. Oh my God, how bright and beautiful it is. So yes. So that's everything, my lovelies, that I have for you. Yes. So it's like a notebook and it comes with many slots. I'll tell you how many slots it comes with. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 compartments. So you can easily store almost like if you want to put 2, 3 in each, you can go for that. Yeah. So that's it, my lovelies. Let me know what was your favorite of the 3. Yes. So I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye, guys.